Hi, I'm Shannon. This is my YouTube channel. So, I have a confession, guys. I'm an addict. A caffeine addict. Oh, help me. Because of my caffeine addiction, I have to drink coffee every day or else I get super crazy migraines. And it's just not an enjoyable experience. I used to go to Starbucks like every single day of my life, and it got really expensive. So I stopped doing that because my work has like a drip coffee machine and like free coffee and stuff, so I just started drinking that every day instead. But it's not like the best coffee in the world, so sometimes I like to treat myself with a little bit of cold brew. And I just recently learned how to make it myself, so I figured, let's make it together. I actually didn't realize how easy it was until I actually did it. I always thought that you had to have like some crazy fancy machine, or I don't know, I just didn't expect it to be this easy. To start, this is all you need. Right here. No crazy machine in sight, right? Except for me, I'm a machine and I'm crazy. So I have 1 cup of ground up coffee beans and 4 cups of just room temperature water. And I'm going to put these 2 things into my giant mason jar. This is enough coffee to last me like 2 days. This is what you're gonna end up with. You're gonna end up with 4 cups of coffee once it's done brewing. Could last you 4 days if you drink 1 cup a day, which is what I usually drink when I'm at work, is just a cup. So I don't know why when I have cold brew, which is a stronger strain of caffeine, why I drink 2 cups instead of 1. It's just good, I don't know. I have my coffee beans and I'm just gonna pour them into my giant mason jar. And then I'm gonna pour, I hope I don't spill this. I'm gonna pour the water in there. So once I have that, I'm just gonna lightly stir it up so that all of the grounds get water. Obviously, I'm not a pro barista over here, but it tastes pretty good. Is this gonna fit in? No. But I think that it tastes pretty good. So now that I have this, I brew mine for like 24 hours. Just cover it with, this is like a teapot lid just because I don't want stuff flying in there and I lost the lid to this mason jar. So I just cover it and then I let it sit on the kitchen counter. I don't put it in the fridge or anything. I just put it on the kitchen counter and then wait till the next day. So that is how you get it started, and then I'm gonna make the rest of this video tomorrow to show you what I do when it's time to pour it and drink it. And yeah. Hi, it's the next day. In 24 hours, and it is time for us to reap the benefits of all of our hard work of letting a giant jar of ground up coffee beans soak in water. Hard work, hard work. What you're gonna need for this next step is this stuff right here. It might look like regular fabric, but it's not. It's cheesecloth, people. What is cheesecloth? I don't know. It's this stuff. And that is what you need, alright? So just cut out a square depending on how big of the jar is, I guess, and how big your strainer is, because you're gonna put this little thing, this is gonna be like a filter. Just picture a coffee filter, this is your filter. So you're gonna stick a square of this cheesecloth into a small strainer and then pour the contents of your jar into that cheesecloth lined strainer. Does that make sense? It will in a second, because watch this video. Ta-da! Now it's since it was sitting out in the kitchen instead of being in the fridge, you might want to let it chill for a little while, like a couple hours or whatever. Or I attempted to make some almond milk ice cubes and they're all melted, but they tasted like ice cream. So we're gonna do this anyways. I'm gonna put these in my cup. Now it's time for our lovely cold brew. I'm just gonna do that much. I think it instantly melted my almond milk ice cubes. Did it? Oh no, they're cute in there. They're cute. Let's see if we're gonna cool this down or if it's... This is actually a lot. I should have only put like one. Oh my gosh. That's really good. It tastes like the Starbucks, like the little ones that you get in a glass bottle. Wow. Wow, I did it. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's good. That's so good. I want to drink it all, but it's so late. It's so past 7 and I do not. I'm gonna drink it. I'm gonna drink it. Thank you for watching. I hope that you guys had fun and I'll see you next time. Bye.